Hello, my name is Alexander Christian. I will explain the tourist attraction located in North Sumatra, namely Lake Toba. Lake Toba, located in North Sumatra, is one of the most beautiful volcanic lakes owned by Indonesia. With an area of 1,145 square kilometers, Lake Toba looks like an ocean at an altitude of 900 meters above sea level. In addition to being referred to as the largest lake in Southeast Asia, this lake that has a depth of 450 meters is also the deepest lake in the world. In the middle of Lake Toba, there is an island called Samosir Island. Samosir Island has two small lakes, namely Lake Aik Natonang and Lake Sidi Honi. Samosir Island, which has an area almost the same as the area of Singapore, is not an empty island. This island is the residence of the Batak Samosir tribe. Batak people living on Samosir Island still hold firm ancestral belief. They also still perform various rituals that were commonly performed by the ancient ancestors. I will review a little about the history of Lake Toba according to people belief. In ancient times, there was a young man who was fishing in the river who can manage to get a fish. Unlike other fish, the fish he gets can talk and beg not to be cooked. The fish then turns into a very beautiful woman named Toba. Long story short, the two were married, but there was one request Toba that the young man should not violate. No one should know who actually is the beautiful woman she married. One day, Samosir was assigned to send food to his father in the field, but the food his bro was eaten on the street. The father was hungry and decided to go home. On the way home, Samosir was eating the supplies that should have been for the father. Because in a very hungry condition, he accidentally pointed to Samosir and said that he was a fish boy. As soon as the sky was dark and the rain heavily, water also come out of the underground, which makes the village submerged. Toba and Samosir suddenly disappear when the village turned into the sea of water. That's when Lake Toba and Samosir Island were for whom believed to be the embodiment of the demon of fish and their cubs. Now, what we can do in the Lake Toba? Sailing to Samosir Island, be great boat in certainly be an interesting experience. By return of the boat, for a group of 20 to 25 people for a day. You are free to request of any tourist spot that you and your group want to visit. This boat trip, enjoy the view of the Lake Toba and its surrounding. You will be amazed by the riches of nature you witness. Next, you can get to know the history of Batak by visiting historical tourist attraction. Do not miss Tomok village, where there is the tomb of King Sidabutar. King Butar tomb is very unique because it is made of large stones without joints, and there is a carving of the king face on the stones of his tomb. King Sidabutar was the first to inhabit Tomok. Hutan Bola Museum is no less interesting. Here you can see Batak Simanindo traditional house left by King Sidauru, which is used Museum of Batak Culture today. In the museum, there are many collections of objects closely related to Batak culture, such as traditional clothing, ulos cloth, and also coffins containing Sigali-gali dolls. Don't forget to visit Ambarita village, where there is Batu Persidangan. The stable-shaped stones was used to execute prisoners. People convicted of the crimes such as murder, stealing, and rape will be punished at the table. Now I will tell about Sigali-gali dolls. Sigali-gali dolls become one of the characteristics of this tourist attraction in Sumatra. This 1.5 meter tall wooden doll, completely with Batak traditional clothes, can dance tortor with tourists. This Sigali-gali dance performed can be seen at several tourist attractions in Lake Toba. Sigali-gali must be kept in confine. This doll is very scared because of this long history. Starting from the beloved son of a Batak king in ancient times, who did will fighting. The king became sad and sickly, until the healer and the smart man decided to make life-size wooden doll, and his face is made similar to the king's son. According to the villager, the spirit of the king's son went into the doll so that Sigali-gali could move and dance without the help of puppeteer. Okay, that's all the history of Lake Toba. It's unique. Visit Lake Toba. Thank you. Bye.